Good morning, my dear student. This is your revision worksheet. Now in these days we all are doing revision, है ना. मैं आपको revision करा रही हूँ and you are doing the revision. This lesson will come in your exam. It is the name of lesson is gender. Okay, today first I will explain you gender. A noun that is the name of any male person or animal is said to be of masculine gender. Means if we are talking about a male person or animal, male animal or male person, it means it is male gender. Understand? अगर हम किसी आदमी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और जो वो है वो भी पुरुष है, एनिमल भी, तो हम उन दोनों को, चाहे वो पुरुष हो या फिर एनिमल में हो, वी कॉल इट मैस्कुलिन जेंडर. ओके, व्हाट वी कॉल इट? वी कॉल इट मैस्कुलिन जेंडर. फॉर एग्जांपल अंकल. अंकल कौन होते हैं? औरत होती है या आदमी होती है? अंकल एक आदमी होते हैं ना. फादर वो भी एक आदमी होते हैं. ग्रैंडफादर वो भी एक आदमी होते हैं. ब्रदर वो भी एक आदमी है. तो इसे हम ऐसे वर्ड्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं? मैस्कुलिन जेंडर. अगर हम किसी बुल के बारे में बात करते हैं या एलिफेंट या लायन या टाइगर के बारे में बात करते हैं तो एनिमल्स में वो सब क्या है? मेल है. ओके, इसी तरह से होता है फेमिनिन जेंडर. फेमिनिन जेंडर मीन्स इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ पर्सन और एनिमल हु इज फीमेल. हम किसी पर्सन या एनिमल के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं और वो फीमेल है, इट मीन्स इट इज फेमिनिन जेंडर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल काउ. एनिमल में काउ फेमिनिन है, बफेलो फेमिनिन है, पीहेन फेमिनिन है बर्ड्स में, एंड गर्ल वर्ड इज फेमिनिन, आंटी वर्ड इज फेमिनिन, है ना. ग्रैंड मदर, मदर, मम्मी, mom, all are feminine words. Understand? Now one is you pay attention towards this gender. One gender is, it is neuter gender. Now look at it. What is this? This is your pen, है ना. ये क्या हमारा पेन है, पेंसिल. इशिया, this is your pen and this is your pen pencil. And what is this? This is your eraser. Now tell me, can this pen move? No. This? No. And this pen pencil? No. And they breathe? They can walk? नो ना. दे आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. ये सब क्या हमारी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है. एंड वन थिंग, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज रिंग. कैन दिस रिंग कैन टॉक? कैन इट टॉक? नो ना. आवर पेन ऑल्सो कान टॉक, एंड पेंसिल, इरेजर, एवरीथिंग कान टॉक, है ना. दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. थिंग्स विच आर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स we call it neuter gender. इनको हम कहते हैं neuter gender. Understand? For example of this, your neuter gender, for example desk, your mobile phone, everything, almirah, fridge, TV, who is not having life, we call it neuter gender. And your fourth gender is common gender. Common gender means, फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई सेल्फ, जैसे मैं हूँ. वॉट यू कॉल मी? यू कॉल मी टीचर. ओके, आई एम योर टीचर. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल विकास सर या फिर राज सर जो हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो योर टीचर. वो भी टीचर है. सपोज वी आर स्टैंडिंग टुगेदर, माई सेल्फ, गीता मैम, राज सर एंड विकास सर स्टैंडिंग देयर. तो उस समय आप हमें क्या बोलोगे? दोज आर माई टीचर्स. टीचर बोलोगे ना. तो या अलग से बोलोगे टीचर टीचरी, नो ना, टीचर टीचरी तो नहीं करोगे ना, आप क्या बोलोगे, दोज आर माई टीचर्स, है ना। तो जो ये टीचर वर्ड है ये कॉमनली मेल पर्सन के लिए भी यू कैन यूज एंड फॉर फीमेल पर्सन ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज। तो वी कॉल दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ड कॉमन जेंडर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल डॉक्टर, डॉक्टर एक लेडीज भी हो सकती है और डॉक्टर मे बी अ मैन भी हो सकता है एक डॉक्टर। तो बट वी कॉल दोज बोथ डॉक्टर, हम दोनों को डॉक्टर ही कहते हैं, अलग अलग तो नहीं कहते ना डॉक्टर और डॉक्टरनी, नो ऐसे दिस इज डॉक्टरनी वर्ड इज रॉन्ग। तो वी कॉल देम डॉक्टर, चाहे वो लेडीज हो या वो जेंट्स हो, वी कॉल देम डॉक्टर। एंड चाइल्ड ऑल्सो, बेबी, फ्रेंड, आपकी फ्रेंड चाहे वो लड़की हो या लड़का हो, हम उसे फ्रेंड ही बोलते हैं, है ना। तो दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ड इज नॉन एज कॉमन जेंडर, ये हमारे कॉमन जेंडर है, अंडरस्टैंड। तो फेमिनाइन और मैस्कुलिन में तो यू आर वेरी फेमिलियर बिकॉज यू आर लर्निंग ऑल दिस थिंग फ्रॉम योर क्लास केजी, बट न्यूट्रल जेंडर एंड कॉमन जेंडर आर न्यू फॉर यू। तो न्यूट्रल जेंडर मतलब नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, ऑल नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आर न्यूट्रल जेंडर। एंड द ऐसे वर्ड जिसको हम लेडीज और जेंट्स को अलग अलग नहीं करते, सेम वर्ड यूज करते हैं, दैट इज अवर कॉमन जेंडर, अंडरस्टैंड। Student, this is your worksheet. Okay, this is your revision worksheet 2. In this worksheet there are few questions which you have to do. The first question of the worksheet is change the following sentences indicated in the brackets. Okay, you have to change the sentence indicated in the bracket, means you have to give the attention towards the brackets. Okay, now your first sentence is I drink milk every day. I drink milk every day. This is our present tense. This present tense you have to change into past tense. In which tense? Past tense. Okay, this you have to change into past tense. Second, grandpa goes for a walk every day. This is goes, here is es with the verb, it means it is our present tense. Here drink is the first form of the verb, है ना, and this is your goes. So you have to change it into again past tense. Then third is Sudha wiped up the water with a cloth. This is wiped, this is your verb, it is second form, and this sentence you have to change into present tense. Then the flowers bloomed in the garden in the spring. Bloomed means second form of the verb, and this sentence you have to change into present tense. Now how will you change this sentence? I explain in my videos and Zoom classes in both. Okay, I look at my watch to tell him the time. Present continuous tense. This sentence you have to change into present continuous tense. Sentence F, he keeps the documents in the drawer. He keeps the documents in the drawer. This also you have to change into present continuous tense. Okay, first you have to write the sentence, then change it. Now second question. Your second question is this. Your second question is change the following sentences into negative sentences. Means you have to change this sentence into negative sentence according to the tense. First you have to recognize the tense of the sentence, then you have to change it into negative. Do not, does not, did not, is not. Okay. We went to Srinagar for a holiday. In this sentence, your verb is went. And went is the second form of the verb. So it is, what is it? It is past tense. So how we change the past tense into negative sentence? We use did. And we use first form of the verb with did. This I explain in my Zoom class. We went to Srinagar for a holiday. We did not go to Srinagar for a holiday. This is the answer of this sentence. Second, Shyam hang the clothes on the line. This hanged is second form of the verb. It is again past tense. So you have to change it into negative sentence. You will use did not. Okay. And first form of the hanged. Then this. Megha is chopping onions for the tomato sauce. Chop is your verb, and here is ing also. It means it is your continuous tense. So you will change it into negative sentence like this. Megha is not chopping onions for the tomato sauce. Understand? He is teaching his son algebra now. This is your continuous tense. Change it into negative sentence. Now fifth one is Rohit usually reads a newspaper every morning. Now first we have to recognize the tense of the sentence. So it is your present tense, because here is s with verb. Read is your verb and this is s, means reads. Rohit is singular, and this Rohit is, because the Rohit is singular, so here I put the I add the s with verb. So how you will change it into negative sentence? Rohit is singular. So what you have to use? Do not or does not? You have to use does not with singular. Rohit does not usually read a newspaper every morning. Okay. Now here some animals. This is your plural. So you have to use some animals do not move to different. Understand? Now student, this is your question number 3. Rewrite the following. Rewrite means दोबारा से लिखो. Write again. Rewrite means write again the following sentences using noun and pronouns of the opposite gender. Okay, first thing what you have to do, you have to recognize the nouns and pronouns. You have to find out the nouns and pronouns from the line. Then you have to change it into its opposite gender. Okay, first, for example, I am giving you example. This king is noun, he is pronoun, and his is again pronoun, है ना? So how will you do this? You will write the answer like this. You have to the full statement again. The queen is the opposite gender of king. The queen went into the hall. Then he, opposite gender of he is she. What we use? We use he for boys. Now we will use here opposite of he is she. She is used for girls. Here I used queen, so I will use it here she. She ate. Now his. His is used for boy, and what we use for girls? Her. At her breakfast. Understand? Same you have to do here also. This type of question will come in your exam also. Not these sentences, not these sentences here. Only this type of question. Rewrite the following sentence. This type of question will come in your exams. Okay. Now next is his uncle has a car. He goes to office in his car. Here is his, he, uncle. These are our pronouns and nouns. What we use in place of his? Her. Her uncle, opposite of uncle is aunt. Aunt is the opposite gender of uncle. Her aunt has a car. She goes to office in her car. This is the answer of this sentence. Understand? Okay, my dear student. Thank you for watching the video. Now I will meet with you in my next Zoom class on Saturday. Till then, bye bye. Take care of you.